We were not able to reach the governor's office for comment. Meanwhile, now that the AG has officially left the Commonwealth, and now that there's a warrant out for his arrest, we asked OPA Special Prosecutor George Hasselback what's next.
Logistically, it's expensive to get somebody back from the mainland. There are procedures that one has to go through. Again, I would have really liked to have had a little more time to become familiar with those procedures and understand them fully, but this has all happened very quickly.
Asked to comment on the timing of the case, which comes 2 years after most of the alleged acts of public misconduct occurred and was filed 2 days after Buckingham announced plans to resign, Hasselback says this.
These matters were under active investigation for quite some time. Some members of the public have expressed dissatisfaction that it's taken this long. If people are unhappy that it's taken this long to file something, I'm sorry. We have limited means, we have a limited number of personnel, and we've done our best. Now, when we found out that Mr. Buckingham was leaving the CNMI, presumably forever, because that's what he told everyone, it became apparent that if he were permitted to leave the CNMI prior to service of a judicial summons, that he would be beyond the court's jurisdiction. And we made the determination that instead of allowing Mr. Buckingham to leave the Commonwealth and never answer for the crimes that we believe he committed, I filed a criminal information and we served him with a summons.
From San Francisco, in an interview with KSPN on Sunday, Buckingham accused Hasselback of having a personal agenda and described the charges against him as retaliatory. Hasselback resigned as prosecutor with the AG's office in 2009. As for a response, Hasselback says the charges against the AG stand unanswered and speak for themselves, and now it's up to the judge to decide.
We have enough evidence that is admissible in court to prove every single portion of every single charge that's in the information.
Buckingham faces 3 counts of misconduct in public office, 1 count of misuse of government resources for political activities, 1 count of misuse of a government department name to endorse a candidate for office, 1 count of failure to provide information to the public auditor, and 1 count of obstruction of justice.